Davis, you like that cat? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Morgan, you gotta learn to stay away from him. You're gonna get grabbed. Easy. Oh, God bless you. Easy, Davis. Quit. Easy, little man. Gotta be easy with the kitty. Oh, Morgan loves you. Yes, hers does. Her loves Davis. Give her big sugars. Give Morgan sugars. Yes, her's a good kitty. Give her sugars. Get her, Davis. Get her, yes. Get the tail. So I just want to bite it. Oh, good boy. Morgan, what do you think? You are a glutton for punishment.